Now we see genetic variation. This is a very important topic. Come to the topic of Hardy-Weinberg principle. He talks about 5 factors that will affect the equilibrium that will make it unstable. What are the 5 factors? We saw the first was genetic migration. We had migration. Then we had genetic flow or gene flow. Next we had genetic drift, mutation and recombination. So when you look at this, genetic variation in a population will arise due to recombination. Yes, it does occur. What is recombination? Recombination when chromosome crossing over happens. The normal process that happens, that is recombination. That does lead to variation, right? When you study genetics, that does lead to variation. Mutation as well as recombination, yes, this seems like the most appropriate answer because mutation is a normal thing. A change in the nucleotide sequence is mutation, right? A sudden change. So mutation will lead to genetic variation. Recombination, reproductive isolation and selection is quite the opposite, because if you reproductively isolate or select certain animals to mate, then there will be no genetic variation. So that is what will maintain the equilibrium. And mutations only. So correct answer to this question, mutation as well as combination. Genetic variation in a population will arise due to mutation as well as combination. Explanation. These genetic variations exist due to reshuffling of genes caused by recombination or by mutation. The recombination is produced by routine reshuffling of genes during independent assortment of chromosomes. जैसे मैंने आपको बताया mating के time जब 2 gametes are meeting तभी हो सकता है. Reciprocal crossing of genes during crossing over and random fertilization of gametes. This can happen. Mutation is sudden inheritable discontinuous variation which appears in an organism due to permanent changes in its genotype. Mutation 3 प्रकार के होते हैं. Deletion, editing and adding. ये जीन कुछ भी अगर ये 3 में से कुछ हुआ तो म्यूटेट हो जाता है, उस पूरा का जेनेटिक मेकअप बदल जाता है, तो जेनेटिक वेरिएशन. व्हेन यू आर लुकिंग एट एवोल्यूशन दोनों कॉजेज हो सकते हैं. नॉर्मल कॉज ये रिकॉम्बिनेशन और म्यूटेशन भी हो सकता है ड्यू टू वेरियस म्यूटेशन.